in the UP Assembly. Now, the SP MLAs are raising slogans inside the Assembly during the speech of the governor, trying to interrupt the speech. Listen in.
उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य विधानमंडल के वर्ष 2026 के प्रथम सत्र हेतु आहूत दोनों सदनों के समवेत अधिवेशन आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है। आप सभी को 2026 की शुभकामनाएं। मैं यह कामना करती हूँ कि यह वर्ष आपके व समस्त प्रदेशवासियों के लिए सुख, शांति, समृद्धि व संपन्नता से परिपूर्ण हो। मेरी सरकार प्रदेश की आर्थिक समृद्धि, युवाओं के लिए रोजगार एवं उद्यमिता, अन्नदाता किसानों की खुशहाली, महिलाओं की आत्मनिर्भरता सहित प्रत्येक नागरिक के सुरक्षित व सम्मानजनक जीवन को सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता देते हुए कार्य कर रही है। मेरी सरकार समस्या को समाधान तक पहुंचाने में विश्वास रखती है। इस राह पर आगे बढ़ते हुए उत्तर प्रदेश को बॉटलनेक स्टेट से ब्रेक थ्रू स्टेट के तौर पर करने में सफलता मिली है। सबका साथ, सबका विकास।
My colleague Adeeb is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Adeeb, this sets a very, very bad precedent. We've seen that previously in the parliament as well, in the UP Assembly as well. The governor is speaking. In the customary address, there are slogans being chanted in the background.
Well, certainly, Pratibha, see, this was the strategy of the opposition party, mainly Samajwadi Party. In fact, this is what we have seen in the parliament too, that how opposition was raising slogans. So whenever there's a speech, they try to interrupt the speech of the governor. And exactly the same thing happened in UP Assembly when the governor was addressing her customary speech before the start of the budget session. Her speech was interrupted many a times by the opposition MLAs. They were raising slogans. The continuous slogans were being raised by the opposition MLAs. Now, the opposition, the Samajwadi Party, claims that all the facts are being presented by the governor. The governor is misleading with those facts, and in fact, the Samajwadi Party is also alleging that the government is not listening to the opposition. And in fact, right now, the governor has completed her speech. She has left from Vidhan Sabha amid the heavy ruckus created by the opposition MLAs. Pratibha.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with all those.